Bill Conway and his late wife Joanne, in whose memory this lab is named, created the Bedford Falls Foundation, which has at the heart of its mission to support nursing schools, especially Catholic nursing schools in the United States. Duquesne alone has been blessed to receive more than $7.2 million of their support over the years. In 2024, after his beloved wife Joanne passed away, Bill and the Bedford Falls Foundation made a transformational $4 million gift to create the Joanne Barkett Conway Simulation Center in her memory, and it is just so special.
Seeing the difference that the nurses make, I get to witness all the great things they do and feel a tiny part of it, and that's very, very rewarding for me. And it started because my wife was a native of the Pittsburgh area, and she thought supporting Duquesne would be a great idea. And we did the tour and we learned and we thought, we agreed.
Duquesne University is setting out to be a national leader in integrative health, and this new simulation suite is part of that broader vision to train healthcare professionals with top-of-the-line simulation technology and to make it so that they can go out and have a broader impact in the world.
And this lab particularly is going to address certain needs. We have a nurse anesthesia program, and that program really fulfills a need. There is a huge shortage of nurse anesthetists, and nurse anesthetists provide 90% of anesthesia across the globe. So we need them, and we need them particularly in Pittsburgh, where healthcare is a major industry.
The technology is very advanced, it's new, it's state of the art, and it's really directly correlates with what we use in the hospital. I think Mr. Conway's donations, obviously very generous. I think it goes to show that he cares a lot about nursing students and healthcare in general, because this is how we prepare. We prepare in SimLab and bring these skills into the clinical setting.
I'm excited about the Conway SimLab Center to come in and just practice some of the skills that we look forward to actually perfecting in the actual clinical setting. Simulation practice is just a key cornerstone to taking care of patients.
I once had a nursing student say to me, Mr. Conway, remember when I'm taking care of somebody, you're taking care of somebody. And of course, nurses are, the most respected profession in America, and should be. I feel the nurses that we turn out in the nursing schools and Duquesne are, really prepared to take care of people. And the simulation lab, I think, will be a big part of making them even better nurses.